My name is Wayne Gramlich, and I'm the current president of Brew Robotics Club. I'd like to thank everybody for braving the inclement weather and coming here. It's got a little soggy here right before the meeting. Let's see, I want to start with the important stuff. How many people, this is your first time here? Oh wow, a lot of new people. Okay, good. The most important thing is, where are the restrooms? See the green exit sign over there? You're through there, right to the right. Okay. Let's see, the agenda for the meeting is, first we do club-related news and discussion, followed by show and tell, and then we break for 5 minutes so that our speaker can get set up. And then we have our presentation, and then after the presentation is over, we break and we go into what we call random access mode, which means we all just talk with one another. And at pretty close to 10 sharp, we shoo everybody out of the room. I do have a request that when you're leaving, let's get rid of all the little debris and get them into the recycle bins over there. Google's really big on recycling, so let's use the facilities. So we're going to get started with the club-related news. If anybody, how many people here have already paid their dues? Okay. How many people here would like to pay their dues today? Okay. We have a problem. Our secretary-treasurer did not make it today. So next time, could we hold that? You can either do it online, in which case you will gladly take your money. If you wanted to do a cash transaction or a check, you'll have to delay till the next meeting, okay? For those of you who don't know, our club dues are $10 a year, and that's for a family membership, okay? If you are single, it's still $10. We're eating there, okay? So, and the dues go to pay for our audio equipment and stuff like that. Okay, probably the most important stuff is, I'm going to have to grab your camp because it's Robot Block Party, Maker Fair.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of stuff coming up. First is going to be Robot Block Party. This is a celebration of National Robotics Week. It's going to be at some law firm in Palo Alto. These things are always fun. The kids come through, so show and tell. How many people are currently building? Show of hands. Come on guys, that's pretty weak. This is not the Talk About Robots Club. This is the Homebrew Robotics Club. We build robots, okay? So regardless, get building. We've got plenty of things coming down the pike this year. Robot Block Party is number 1. That's April 9. And then we've got Maker Fair. I've sent the registration. We haven't been accepted yet, but that's May 17 and 18. And our own HBRC Challenge, Phase 1 is June. This will be our 12th annual, and that's the last. Robo Jam's the big one, though. This is one we're trying to start up, okay? And so the deal is, what we've found is, for the most part, it takes a deadline to force people to create, okay? So these are your deadlines, all right? The Robo Block Party is like 6 weeks away. That's forever, right? It's not, okay? If you plan, with the Robo Jam, our own Ralph Knock is going to be officiating the Robo Magellan contest there. And if you're going to be in Robo Magellan, you probably should be building right now, right, Ralph?
About a year ago.
I've never actually competed in Robo Magellan. The camp was graciously volunteered me to run the event, so I watched it all the time at the Robo games. So if anybody's interested, let me know. I need to get a sort of sign up. That will be, as Kent was mentioning, Robo Jam. It's kind of a replacement for Robo games because the Robo games will not be held anymore. And it's
June 28 and June 29. June 28 and 29. It's a weekend. Mark your calendars. Alameda Fairgrounds. Be there.
It's at Pleasanton, I believe.
Where's that reverb?
So we'll have a bunch of show and tell type events, but the only we'll try to run an actual Robo Magellan competition as part of that. So if anybody's interested, I'll put out something on the email and we can get something started.
A real competition.
We need volunteers for managing and just hosting the other events too, so if anybody's interested in putting their time in.
Show of hands, who knows what Robo Magellan is? A lot more people than are building robots. That's pretty sad. All right, so that's enough of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Questions?
Um,
I did get, for the Robo Jam participants, that is, people who bring and demonstrate robots will get free admission and free parking. So there's that. Yay.
Very good.
We are 95% likely to move from this location to a new location starting in April. Not because we're losing this location, but we haven't been a huge fan of the audio fighting over refrigerator noises. The new location would be near downtown Mountain View, so it's not that far away. And we'll let you know on the mailing list for sure, but we just want to make sure you keep an eye out for the mailing list and look at the website. Don't just assume to come here every month on the last Wednesday of every month and then find it's a ghost town in April. The new location should be more hacker friendly. It would be very cool.